Good
Dobro
morning
jutro
from Mount Shasta,
z gore Šasta.
or good evening if you're in
Ali
Europe.
pa
And
dober večer,
Australia and New
če
Zealand
ste
are already
v tem
into the next
trenutku
day,
v
Friday morning,
Evropi
so
ali
many
pa
of
v
you are sleeping.
Avstraliji. Tam imate že naslednji dan
And
in je
I'm
pri vas že
feeling a little
petek
sleepy
zjutraj.
today as well.
Kakorkoli, lep pozdrav, kadarkoli
As
že
most
to
of you know,
poslušate.
we had a one-day
Danes
workshop here with
sem malo
Cryon and
zaspan,
Alcazar,
kot veste, smo imeli
and that was just
delavnico,
really very
v
special.
kateri sta se povezala
I'm sure
Krajon
many
in
of you are
Alcazar.
actually joining us
Bila
as
je res
well.
nekaj posebnega in
And
vem,
as
da
always,
vas je
I
bilo
just
veliko
love
z
to
nami.
see
Kot
people
vedno je
signing in saying
prijetno
where you're from.
videti,
And I
odkot
invite you
vse
all also
ste.
just to read the chat box,
In tako vabim
just
tudi vas
to
vse,
feel how
da
global
preberete,
this
odkot
connection
so
is.
drugi, ki bodo zdaj to napisali v klepetalnico in boste dobili občutek naše
In
globalne
Mauritius it's 9
družine.
o'clock at night. Cool.
Na Mauriciusu je pa
So
ura
Chile,
9
Mexico,
zvečer. Imamo
Australia.
Čile, Mehiko,
I've seen some
Avstralijo,
from the
pa
Scandinavian
skandinavske
countries,
dežele vidim,
Holland, all over the
Nizozemska,
States, and
širom
Canada.
ZDA in Kanade se javljate,
Yes. Cape Town,
pa
South
Cape
Africa,
Town,
Brazil.
Južna Afrika, Brazilija.
Sean was saying it was a great event with
Sean
Cryon and
piše, kako
Alcazar.
krasen
I really
dogodek je
enjoyed it,
bil s
and so
Krajonom in
did Lee.
Alcazarjem.
And
Ja, jaz sem
so we're planning
res
to do
užival in tudi Li je užival.
that type of gathering
In
again
tako
here in Shasta
srečanje bomo ponovili
at some
tukaj
other
na
point in the future,
Šasti, še kdaj drugič
maybe
v
in a couple
prihodnosti,
of months or so.
morda
We'll do
čez
another
nekaj
one.
mesecev.
Quite a few people from Germany
Kar
this
nekaj
morning.
vas je danes zjutraj iz Nemčije.
Oh, someone's still up and awake in New
Nekdo
Zealand.
pa še vedno bedi
Hi there.
na Novi Zelandiji. Lep pozdrav.
Okay, so again, I did check some of your comments
Tudi
that you
tokrat
left in the
sem
chat box, and
prebral
also
vaše
for those of
komentarje.
you that made comments in the Stargate Collective.
Nekateri ste komentarje zapisali v
So a
Stargate
couple of
Collective.
things I just wanted
Želel
to
pa sem
respond
se
to.
odzvati na nekaj
Kyoko
komentarjev.
from Japan
Kyoko z
saying that this
Japonske
is
pravi,
she's just connected with the
da se
Stargate, and she
je
finds that in the meditation
zdaj
she's falling asleep.
povezala z zvezdnimi
She's
vrati
used to
na
doing
novo
other forms
in
of
da praviloma
meditation.
kar zaspi
So Kyoko,
med meditacijo.
this is something that many
Kyoko,
people
to je nekaj,
experience
kar
in the
veliko
Stargate
ljudi doživi med
meditations,
meditacijami
and
z
it's been
zvezdnimi
talked about
vrati.
quite a bit in
O
the
tem smo v
past.
preteklosti že
And
veliko
what's
povedali.
happening is not
To,
so
kar se
much
dogaja,
sleep,
pa
but
pravzaprav
what's
ni
happening is your
spanje.
consciousness is actually moving
Kaj se
to a
dogaja?
higher place,
Tvoja
a different
zavest
space, so to
gre v
speak,
drug
a
prostor,
place where your
v prostor,
normal mind can't
kamor
go.
tvoj običajen ne
And so,
more.
if you come back at the end of the
In če se
meditation, when we
vrneš na
invite you
koncu
just to come back,
meditacije, ko vas povabim, da pridete nazaj,
then that tends to indicate that you've
se
been to
veliko
this
krat
other
zgodi, da to
vibrational place,
prepoznate in je to
not
znak, da
sleeping,
ste
but a
bili v
place where you're very
prostoru
open and
visokih
receptive.
vibracij, kjer ste odprti in
And so
sprejemljivi.
I would suggest don't worry
In zato
about
bi
it.
rekel, dajte
Just be
nič ne
present
skrbi.
with the meditation,
Samo
and
bodi
if you find
prisotna v
yourself going
meditaciji
somewhere
in
else,
če odjadraš
just
nekam
be with
drugam,
it.
samo
Don't
bodi
worry about
s
it.
temi
Don't judge
občutki,
it.
naj te ne
Be with
skrbi,
what
ne
is.
obsojaj se
Okay?
in samo bodi s tem, kar je.
And in a similar vein, Steve
In na
Wright
podoben
said that
način pravi Steve
he's having trouble
Wright,
staying
da ima
focused.
težave in se težko
Steve,
fokusira.
the instructions are
Steve,
there's nothing to
navodila
do,
spet in
just to
spet
relax and
ponavljamo, da
allow.
ni
And
nič
so
treba narediti, samo
trying to stay
sprosti se.
focused is a doing.
In če se trudiš
So I
ostati
know it might be a
fokusiran, je
little
to
subtle, but just
delovanje.
see if you can just
To je
relax and be
prefinjena
in what
razlika, ampak
is, rather
vendarle,
than
poskušaj
having a
se
particular
sprostiti in samo bodi.
concept of how
In
you're
ne imej
meant to be
nekega
in these
koncepta
meditations.
o tem,
That's why
kako
Alcazar
moraš
says
delovati
again
v
and
teh
again, there's nothing
meditacijah.
to do, just
Alcazar
relax
spet in spet
and
pravi, nič
allow,
ni
be
treba
in the
narediti,
energy
samo
field
sprostite
as
se
it
in
comes
bodite
to
v tem
you.
energijskem polju, ko pride k vam.
So a few people were again experiencing healing or pain
Spet vas
going
je
away.
nekaj, ki poročate o
Elka
tem,
felt
da
her
je
low energy
izginila
disappearing and Ima felt
bolečina
her
ali
pain
obolenje.
disappearing. She said it felt
Ima je
like a vacuum
napisala,
cleaner
da se je
sucking out
zdelo,
pain.
kot da
Cool. That's great.
Je nek sesalnik posesal njeno bolečino. To je odlično.
Maura was
Mauro
asking,
je
I don't know
vprašal,
if I'm pronouncing your name right, Maura, how to help with the
kako
translations.
pomagati
If
s
you
prevajanjem.
are an
Če
expert
si
in English
strokovnjak
and your own
v
language
angleščini
and would like
in
to
v
assist with
svojem
volunteer
jeziku in
translating,
če želite
then
pomagati
write to
pri prostovoljnih prevodih, nam pišite na
support@thestargateexperience.com.
support@thestargateexperience.com.
support@thestargateexperience.com. And thank you.
In hvala lepa za ponudbo.
Okay, I'm going to stop there for a moment.
Za trenutek se bom zaustavil
I'm going to ask you all
in
just to
vse
close your
vas
eyes for a
prosim,
moment and
da
just
za
relax and
trenutek
tune in.
zaprete oči,
And let's see if we can just
sprostite se
consciously
in
create
oglasite. In
a
poglejte, če vam
connection, an
uspe
energetic connection. See if
zavestno
you can feel
vzpostaviti energijsko povezavo,
all these people from around the world
kot da bi
just
videli in
tuning
začutili
in
vse te
together
ljudi
right now.
širom sveta,
Just close your eyes and
ki
see
smo
if you can get a
povezani
sense.
v vašem trenutku zdaj.
All these
Zaprite
people
oči in
around the
morda
world.
utegnete dobiti občutek,
States,
koliko
Canada,
ljudi
North and South America,
iz ZDA, Kanade, Severne in Južne Amerike, torej Evrope.
even friends up in Russia,
Tu imamo
Australia,
prijatelje
New
iz
Zealand,
Rusije, pa Avstralije, Nove Zelandije in Japonske. Morda boste začutili to družino.
you feel
V tem hipu, ko to poslušate, lahko začutite
this
in
global
zaznate to
community
globalno
checking in
skupnost,
right now.
ki je z vami povezana prav zdaj.
These are interesting times. They have
Živimo v
created
zanimivih
this coming
časih
together in this way.
in
And
ustvarilo se je to
yes,
vrstno
last time
druženje,
I was
kot ga
on, I
imamo
was just
zdaj.
asking people, well, what do you want? What would you like from the
Zadnjič
Stargate experience?
sem postavil
And,
vprašanje, kaj pa vi
many
želite
people
iz izkušnje
responded
z
that they'd
veznimi
like
vrati.
these
Veliko
morning talks to
ljudi
be
se je
more regular.
odzvalo, da si želijo bolj redno
So that's something
ta
that
moja jutranja
we're
oglašanja.
considering here.
In zato zdaj o tem
So
razmišljamo
if that's going to be happening, then
in
we'll let you know.
obvestili vas
There's a couple more
bomo,
in this series.
če
We're
bo
number
na
5
vrsti
now. There's
še
a couple more
kakšna
planned.
serija.
And we'll see.
Ta z naslovom Into the
See where we go
Future
from
v
there.
prihodnosti je številka 5, pa bomo videli, kako daleč bomo šli z njo.
We were talking a lot about truth
Veliko smo
in the
govorili
last
v
experience
zadnjih
and
izkušnjah o
information. Where do you
resnici
get your
in
information from?
informacijah, odkot
Where do you
črpate
actually base your
informacije,
truth?
na čem osnujete svojo
perception of
resnico
truth?
oziroma zaznavo
Where do you
resnice,
get your information from?
odkot prihajajo k vam
And for most of us,
informacije.
it's from the
Za
TV,
večino od nas
the newspapers,
je vir
or
televizija
some
ali
online
časopis
content.
ali pa vsebina na spletu.
And so how do we know
Kako pa
what's
lahko
actually
vemo,
real?
kaj
How
je
do we
dejansko
know
resnica? Kako lahko vemo,
what's this false
kaj
news?
so vse te lažne
What do
novice?
we know about all the
Kaj
information
vemo
that's
o
coming
vseh
to us that's so
informacijah, ki prihajajo k
contradictory?
nam, ker so si tako nasprotujoče?
So what is the
In
truth?
kaj je torej resnica?
And as I said last time, truth
In
is
kot sem že
very
zadnjič
personal.
povedal, je
you
resnica
that simple
zelo
example of
osebna.
One person saying, "Well, it's really
Nekdo
hot in
lahko
here," and
reče,
another person
tukaj je
saying,
zelo
"Well,
vroče,
no, it's
pa v
cold in
istem
here."
prostoru
both
nekdo drug
speaking
reče,
their
da ga
own
zebe.
individual
In oba
truths
sta povedala
about how they
svojo
perceive
individualno
the
resnico o
environment
tem,
they're in.
kako zaznavata okolje, v katerem sta.
And so we all have our own
Vsak
very
od nas
individual
ima torej
concepts of what's
lastne
real
individualne
out there in the
koncepte o
world.
tem, kaj je resnično v našem
So,
svetu.
What we're being asked to
In
do, in
to,
a sense, is to feel in
kar na nek način moramo narediti, je, da se uglasimo navznoter.
intuition and discernment, as Hushna is saying.
Tu je
Yes,
intuicija
that's
in
the key.
prepoznava. Je nekdo
But
napisal,
also,
ja, to
maybe
je
it's
ključ,
about not being
ampak
so attached
morda je bistvo
to what
tudi,
we read.
da se ne navežemo takoj na
Not
tisto,
so
kar preberemo,
attached.
ali pa vsaj ne v tolikšni meri,
To accepting.
da ne sprejmemo kar takoj.
Just something to consider.
O tem je vredno razmisliti.
I know some people, especially my dad's
Vem, da
generation,
nekateri, še posebej
he gets all his
generacija mojega
information from
očeta,
watching the TV
vse
news
informacije dobi,
pretty much every
ko
time it's
gleda
on.
televizijo.
And that creates
In to
actually quite a lot of
dejansko
depression
ustvari veliko
for many
depresije za mnogo ljudi,
when you see the bombardment of
ko
what's
te
happening
bombardirajo
around the world,
z
everything expressed
novicami
in a
z
very
vsega
negative
sveta
way.
in te novice so izražene na zelo
What I'm
negativen
saying is,
način.
let's see if we can
In to, kar želim povedati, je,
disconnect
da poskušajmo
our
pogledati,
attachment
če
to
se lahko
feeding on
odvežemo od naše
all this different
navezanosti
information
in
and
odvisnosti
let's
od
see if
vseh
we can
teh
start
informacij in poglejmo,
intending
če lahko
to create the new
začnemo
from a
iz svoje
place
namere ustvarjati
of
novo.
loving,
In to je
honoring,
prostor
caring in our own
ljubezni
very
in
small
spoštovanja
environment.
v našem majhnem okolju,
Those that are close to you.
s tistimi, ki so vam najbližje.
And that's the real
In
challenge.
to je
The
pravi
challenge, the
izziv.
challenge to focus on yourself
To je
and your
izziv, da se
environment
osredotočite nase in
rather
na
than what's
svoje
happening
okolje,
nationally and internationally.
namesto na to, kar se dogaja na nacionalni in mednarodni
Bringing it
ravni.
back to ourselves.
S tem se vračamo sami k sebi.
One question that came up, I can't remember exactly
Ne
when,
vem, kdaj se je
and again,
pojavilo
it's
eno
just focused on what's
vprašanje,
happening in the world.
s katerim se osredotočamo
And,
na to, kaj se dogaja v svetu.
It was the understanding from what you gather in the news media,
Šlo je za razumevanje tega, kar slišite
all
v
these
medijih,
countries
v
having
novicah,
massive
kajti vse države
national
imajo
debt.
ogromen
Virtually
nacionalni
every
dolg.
country in the world
Dobesedno vsaka
is in
država
debt.
na tem svetu ima dolgove.
And the question
In
is,
vprašanje je,
which I've never heard asked, the
ampak
question
nisem
is, if
slišal, da
all
bi ga
these
kdo
countries
postavil.
are in
Vprašanje je,
debt,
če so vse te države
who are
zadolžene,
they in debt to?
komu so dolžne nekaj?
Who is it
Kdo
that all these countries
je tisti,
owe money to?
ki so mu vse te
Trillions
države
and
dolžne
trillions of dollars
na milijarde
in
dolarjev?
states. And all these
In vse
countries
te
owe
države
massive amounts of
so
money
dolžne
to whom?
ogromno denarja. A komu?
What kind of house of straw have we built
Kakšno
in this
slamnato
reality
hišo
that
smo
we're all
zgradili v tej
continuing to
realnosti?
agree to?
In
Let's start to
vsi
envision
pristajamo na to. Pa si začnimo
a
zdaj
different
predstavljati in vizualizirati drugačno realnost.
And one of the things
In
that Alcazar has been focused on, which
ena od
I've
stvari,
found really
na katero se
helpful,
osredotoča Alcazar in je zelo pomagala
is
tudi
this
meni,
feeling of
je ta
gratitude
občutek
and
hvaležnosti
deep
in
gratitude.
globoke hvaležnosti.
That I've found that as
Ugotovil pa
I've been
sem, da
practicing it,
ko to vadim,
taking a moment every now and again just to
ko
find
vsake toliko
something
časa najdem
in my
nekaj v
life to
svojem
feel
življenju,
grateful
za kar
for.
sem
What
hvaležen,
I've found is that just as I
ugotavljam,
go about my daily life,
da
suddenly
v
there's just
vsakodnevnem
this
življenju kar
gratitude
naenkrat
happens.
pride k meni ta
And it's
hvaležnost
just,
in jo
it's this
začutim.
deep feeling
In to je tisti
that
globok
happens.
občutek, ki se zgodi.
Last night I was lying on my bed,
Sinoči
relaxing,
sem
just
ležal na moji
really
postelji, se
enjoying
sproščal
the
in res
vibration
užival v
because
vibraciji,
I'd been in a workshop with Cryon and Alcazar all
ker sem bil
day,
ves
and
dan
the
na
energy was so
delavnici s
strong, and I
Krajonom
was just
in
vibrating.
Alcazarjem. Energija je bila zelo
And then I
močna
just
in
felt
sem
this
vibriral močno.
really deep
In začutil
gratitude
sem zelo globoko hvaležnost
towards Dagny
do Dagny
and
in
Julianne,
Julien,
who'd spent a whole
ki
day
sta porabili ves dan
working with difficult
in
technology
reševali zadeve
just to make that
s težavno
program go
tehnologijo,
smoothly with Alcazar
samo
and Cryon.
zato, da bi
It just came
program
up as this
tekel
just wave of energy.
in bi bilo vse v redu.
And what Alcazar's been
In
saying
kar je govoril tudi
is
Alcazar
this
je,
deep gratitude
Ta globoka
this
hvaležnost,
vibration,
ta
when
vibracija,
you're in that
in ko ste
space,
v tem
it
prostoru,
allows you to
vam to
create
omogoči,
in your
da
reality at a much
ustvarjate
higher level.
svojo realnost na dosti višji ravni.
So this is something which I'd really like to invite
In
you
to je nekaj, v kar vas res
to
želim
consider.
povabiti.
And the suggestion is to practice gratitude. Alcazar said that
In
in the
Alcazar je v
past, practice it,
preteklosti
suggesting
povedal,
that
da
we do it in
vadite
the morning
hvaležnost.
before we get
Predlagal
out of
je,
bed,
da
simply
to
because
naredimo
if
zjutraj,
you can
preden
focus
vstanete.
on different parts of
Preprosto
your life,
zato,
your
ker če se
experience that you're
osredotočite
deeply
na
grateful
različne
for,
stvari v
you're actually
življenju,
setting an
za
energy
katere ste
field for the
hvaležni,
day.
oblikujete s tem,
And he said that
naravnate
deep gratitude is actually
energijsko
something
polje
which is
za vas dan.
difficult for many
Za
people
mnoge
to
je
access
občutek
initially.
hvaležnosti in dostop do tega občutka
And
zelo
that
težavna stvar.
practicing
In ko
deep
vadite
gratitude
globoko hvaležnost,
allows you just to
vam
find
to
that place
omogoči,
within
da
yourself.
najdete ta prostor
So
znotraj sebe.
it's not just about
Ne
thinking
gre
about
torej
it, it's
le
about
za
feeling and
razmišljanje o tem,
taking the
ampak za
feeling deeper.
občutek, ki ga popeljete
And
še
I keep
globje.
on coming back to this
Nenehno
because
se
it
vračam
feels
k hvaležnosti,
like one of the most
kajti
important
občutek je, da je
gifts
to
that
dejansko
Alcazar has
eno
given us.
najpomembnejših darov, ki nam
Okay.
ga je dal Alcazar.
So I'm ready to go into a meditation.
Zdaj sem pripravljen za meditacijo.
Michelle is pointing out 3388, the number of people
Mišel
that
pravi,
signed
da
up
je
for
zdaj
this
prijavljenih
into the future.
3388 oseb.
So I'm going to invite you
Zdaj
just
pa
to
vas
all be
vabim, da
comfortable
se
and
namestite
relaxed.
udobno in se sprostite.
Prepare for
Pripravite se
meditation.
na
No
meditacijo.
more typing
Nič
into the
več
chat box,
tipkanja v
please,
klepetalnico, prosim,
until the meditation is
dokler
over.
ne bo meditacija končana.
And just close
In
your
samo
eyes, be
zaprite oči,
comfortable.
namestite se udobno.
And I invite Alcazar to
In
come in.
povabil bom
guide the
Alcazarja, da
meditation.
pride in vodi meditacijo.
Beloved ones, we greet thee.
Preljubljeni, pozdravljamo
Alcazar.
vas.
And this
Z vami sem
always
Alcazar.
simply
In kot
relax,
vedno se
close the
preprosto
eyes.
sprostite in zaprite oči.
Keep your eyes closed
Imejte
throughout
oči
this
zaprte ves čas,
experience if you choose to benefit
če si
to the
želite
maximum from this
pridobiti kar
meditation.
največ iz te meditacije.
And as always, we start by
In kot
inviting
vedno
the
bomo
energies of
začeli
the earth,
tako, da bomo povabili
the energies of
energije
Gaia to come up
zemlje,
into your body,
Gaje,
into your energy field.
naj vstopijo v vaše telo in energijsko polje.
Just allowing for the
Samo
possibility that
dopustite
the
možnost,
consciousness of the earth can and
da
will respond
se
to you
zavest zemlje lahko in se
just
tudi
as you
bo
ask.
odzvala. Samo zato, ker
If you
prosite.
are new to meditating,
Če ste novi v
it's
meditiranju,
quite normal
je
not to
popolnoma
feel
normalno,
anything
da na
initially.
začetku nič kaj
Just
dosti ne
allowing for
čutite,
the
ampak samo
possibility
dopustite
that subtle
možnost,
energies are
da
coming to
nežne
you from the
energije
earth
prihajajo k
right
vam
now.
iz zemlje, prav zdaj.
Very good.
Zelo dobro.
And now we invite each one
In
of
zdaj
you
vabimo
to
vsakogar
ask
od vas,
inside
da
for
v
an etheric
sebi
stargate
prosite
to come
za
down
eterična
around you.
zvezdna vrata, naj se spustijo
So
in
we are
nas
calling
obdajo.
for an etheric
Kličemo
stargate
eterična
to
zvezdna
connect
vrata.
with each and
Naj se
everyone
povežejo z
participating in this
vsakomer, ki
meditation,
meditira in sodeluje v tej
whether
meditaciji.
you are live or
Bodi
whether
si,
you
da
are
ste z
listening to
nami
the
v živo
recording.
ali pa v tem trenutku
The
poslušate
stargate will come
posnetek.
to you.
Zvezdna
The
vrata
energies
bodo
will
prišla
come
k
to
vam.
you
Energije
with
bodo
your
prišle
asking,
k vam
with your
z vašo
intention.
prošnjo in namero.
And now we ask you
In zdaj
to
vas
ask inside
prosimo, da v
for
sebi
activation of your
prosite za
etheric
aktivacijo vaših eteričnih zvezdnih
We
vrat.
call for the
Kličemo
activation of all
aktivacijo
the
vseh
etheric
eteričnih
stargates and all
zvezdnih
the
vrat
physical
in
stargates.
vseh fizičnih
around
zvezdnih
the world.
vrat okrog sveta.
And your stargate will
In
begin
vaša
to
zvezdna
radiate
vrata
very
bodo
soft,
začela
gentle energy
žarčiti
around
zelo
you.
mehko in nežno energijo okrog vas.
Very good.
Zelo dobro.
And now we are going to move
In
rapidly
zdaj
through the
bomo šli
ascension
zelo
or the
hitro
higher vibration energetics. And so we are going to ask
skozi
each of the
energije
stargates to
višjih
vibrate
vibracij.
at the
In
seventh
prosili bomo
dimension.
vaša
So
zvezdna
we are
vrata naj
vibrating
vibrirajo
our
na
etheric
sedmi
stargate, the
dimenziji. In
frequencies
zdaj
of the
vibriramo
seventh
vaša zvezdna
dimension.
vrata na
And we
frekvencah
ask
sedme
each one of you
dimenzije.
to ask
In
inside
vsakdo od
for a
vas naj
strong
prosi za
seventh
močno
dimensional energy
energijsko
field
polje
in your
sedme
etheric
dimenzije v
stargate.
vaših eteričnih zvezdnih vratih.
We call for a
Kličemo
strong seventh
močno
dimensional energy field
energijsko polje sedme
in all
dimenzije
the
v
etheric
vseh
stargates.
eteričnih zvezdnih vratih.
And just
In
relaxing
samo
into that
sprostite
energy.
se v to energijo.
And as you know,
In
slowly,
kot že
slowly,
veste,
your vibration will begin to rise.
se bo počasi,
Will begin to
počasi vaša
harmonize
vibracija
with
začela
those seventh
dvigati
dimensional
in se
energetics
uglasila
surrounding you right
z
now.
visokimi frekvencami sedme dimenzije, ki vas v tem trenutku obdajajo.
Very
Zelo
good.
dobro.
And now
In sedaj
jumping up to the 12th dimensional frequencies.
preskočimo
So
na
we are
frekvence
starting
12.
to
dimenzije.
vibrate all the
In
etheric
začeli smo
stargates at the
vibrirati vsa
frequencies of
eterična
12th
zvezdna
dimension.
vrata na frekvencah 12.
And
dimenzije.
so we ask each one of
In
you
tako
to
zdaj
ask
prosimo
inside
vsakogar od
for a
vas,
strong
da v sebi
12th dimensional
prosite
energy field
za močno
in
energijsko
all the
polje
etheric
12.
stargates.
dimenzije.
We call for a
Kličemo
strong 12th
močno
dimensional energy field
energijsko polje
in all the etheric
12.
stargates
dimenzije v
around
vseh
the world.
eteričnih zvezdnih vratih okrog sveta.
Very good.
Zelo dobro.
Very good.
Zelo dobro.
And as you relax into
In ko
this
se
12th
sprostite
dimensional energy
v
field,
energijsko polje 12. dimenzije,
your energy slowly, slowly
se
harmonizes
vaša
with
energija
12th
počasi,
dimensional
počasi
energies
poravna
around
z
you.
energijami 12. dimenzije okrog vas.
Nothing to
Nič
do,
ni treba narediti.
just relaxing.
Samo sprostite
And
se
allow.
in dopustite.
And we are going to do something a little different
In
right
prav
now.
zdaj bomo naredili nekaj malo drugače.
First, we
Najprej
invite you to
vas
feel
vabimo,
your
da
own energy
začutite svojo lastno
as you are
energijo,
gently caressed by the
ko vas
stargate,
nežno,
radiating these 12th dimensional energies to you.
nežno obdaja žar
Just feeling your own
energije
gentle
iz
vibration.
energijskega polja 12. dimenzije. Samo začutite svojo
And
vibracijo.
now,
In
just
zdaj,
with your intention,
zgolj z vašo namero,
bring your awareness to the
svoje
vastness of the
zavedanje
quantum field.
preusmerite v
Yes, we have
vseobsegajoče
said in the
kvantno
past,
polje.
with your eyes
Kot
closed,
smo
there's a
rekli že v
certain
preteklosti,
darkness.
če imate zaprte
Just
oči,
visualize,
vidite
imagine
določeno
that going
temo
on
in
forever in all
vizualizirajte,
directions.
kako greste v to polje, ki se
And
razteza v
allowing
vse
that
smeri.
visual
In
image.
dopustite si to
Just
vidno
allow
podobo.
that to be the quantum
Dopustite,
field.
da
For
je
the
to
quantum
kvantno
field, in
polje,
fact, does
kajti
extend
kvantno polje
forever.
se dejansko razteza v
It is pure
neskončnost, ker je to čista zavest.
And from that
In
pure
iz te čiste
consciousness,
zavesti
all is
se
created.
ustvari vse.
It is that quantum field that receives
Kvantno
your
polje
vibration
je tisto,
and
ki
reflects
sprejme
back
vašo
to you
vibracijo
in your daily
in
life.
vam v vašem
How
vsakodnevnem
you are
življenju
vibrating,
reflektira,
how you
kako
are
vibrirate
wishing to
in kako
create
želite
reality.
ustvariti svojo realnost.
And so just
In tako se
relaxing,
samo sprostite
being aware of
in
being in the
zavedajte
quantum
se
field.
te prisotnosti
And as much as possible,
sebe
no
v kvantnem
thoughts.
polju.
So you can't stop
In
the
kot se le
mind
da,
as
naj ne bo
such.
misli.
But when
Uma
a
kot
thought
takega ne
moves through
morete
the mind,
ustaviti, ampak
ignore it.
ko gre
Rather than
skozi vaš um
having
neka
a
misel, jo
conversation
ignorirajte,
internally
namesto da se
or following
spuščate v
the
notranji
thought
dialog,
thread into the
ali
next
pa da
to the
sledite
next.
tej misli v
When
naslednjo
you
in
notice the
naslednjo.
mind
Ko
is taken
opazite, da je
over,
prevzel vajeti,
Focus
se
again on the
ponovno
quantum field.
osredotočite le na kvantno
Not to
polje.
judge
Ne
yourself
obsojajte
or be
se.
frustrated
Ni
because your
treba, da
mind
vas to
chatters.
frustrira, če vaš kramlja.
Your mind will
Vaš
chatter.
bo pač kramljal.
Just don't give it
Samo
any extra
ne
energy.
dodajajte mu dodatne
Okay.
energije.
And so,
In tako
feeling this energetic, this
začutite
gentle
to
12th
energijo,
dimensional
to
energy
nežno
field,
energijsko polje
feeling
12.
yourself in the
dimenzije. In
expansive
začutite
void
sebe v tem
of the quantum field.
razširjajočem se
And we are
polju
not going
praznine
to use
kvantnega
any
polja.
words in this
In v tej
meditation
meditaciji
after these next
po
few.
teh naslednjih nekaj
We are going to
besedah ne
ask
bomo
you
uporabljali
simply
več
to
besed.
be
Prosili
in
vas
this
bomo
vast
preprosto, da
mass,
bodite
as silent
prisotni
and
v tem
still
polju,
as is
tiho
possible
kot se le da,
without judging self
mirno kot
or
se le
any
da.
movement.
Ne obsojajte
or
pa
any
se, če se
mental
boste kaj
activity.
premaknili ali če se vam
Okay, so
porodi
just
kakšna
be
misel.
in silence.
Samo bodite v svoji
And in this
tišini.
silence,
In
we
v tej
will be
tišini
projecting to each
bomo
and
k
every one
čisto
of you
vsakomur od vas
a gentle energy.
projicirali nežno energijo.
And so you might
In
feel
tako
in your
boste morda
meditation
v svoji meditaciji
energies
začutili,
coming to you.
kako energije prihajajo k vam.
And so just bringing your awareness once more
In tako
to your
zdaj
own
svoje
vibration,
zavedanje
your own
ponovno
energy.
usmerite v svojo lastno vibracijo, v svojo energijo.
And just sensing the
In
vibration
samo
within.
zaznajte vibracijo v sebi.
And then slowly and gently
In potem počasi in nežno
bringing your awareness back into your room.
svoje zavedanje vrnite v svoj prostor.
And just when you're ready,
In ko
allow the
boste
eyes to come open.
pripravljeni, dopustite, da se oči odprejo.
And so that was different.
Tokrat je bilo drugače.
And again, I'm curious, what was your
In tako
experience?
sem ponovno
A few people came
radoveden,
in late and thought the sound was off.
kako ste to doživeli. Nekateri ste se vključili malo kasneje in
So, how
mislili,
was it
da
for
zvuka
you?
ni, da je
You
ugasnjen.
can
No,
give me a
kako
little
je bilo?
feedback.
Napišite mi
into
kakšen
the chat
feedback v
box.
klepetalnico.
Could you sense
Ste
yourself
lahko
in the quantum field?
zaznali,
Could
kako
you
ste
hold
v
on to that
kvantnem polju,
sensation? Did the mind
ste se
wander
držali
along?
tega občutenja. Je kaj nagajal?
So it sounds like people had strong experiences.
Pišete, da ste imeli močno izkušnjo.
Mike B said he fell asleep and woke up to no sound.
Nekdo
Well,
je zaspal, pa se prebudil
yeah.
v tišino.
Beautiful. Okay.
No, čudovite stvari ste zdaj
Vibrations
zapisali.
penetrating your body,
Nekdo
thought waves
piše,
coming through my
vibracije
energy
so vstopile v moje
into
telo.
the physical, penetrating the
in
physical, yes.
Začutila sem to
Listeners
v
were having a
fizičnem
little
telesu.
shuddering.
Spet
The
nekdo
mind
drug
was
pravi,
grasping and
kot da sem se
searching. Yes,
razpršila.
good. That's the
Um
nature of mind. It's good to
pa
see
je
that.
iskal in
And
tipal.
as much as
Dobro,
possible,
to je
not
dobro prepoznati.
trying to have a conversation
In
with your
se
own
v čim
mind.
večji meri ne vpletati in se ne pogovarjati s svojim umom.
Intense energies. In
Nekdo
the end, I
piše
started
intenzivne energije.
spontaneously
Na
taking
koncu
deep
sem
breaths and
spontano
experiment.
začela globoko
Okay.
dihati.
Had pain, then it dissipated.
Zbudila se je bolečina, ki pa je pojenjala.
Sometimes these
Včasih
energies
te
in whatever
energije v
form they come,
kakršni
whether
koli
it's
obliki že
the
pridejo.
guides or whether it's just
Ali so to
silence and the
vodniki, ali
sounds,
samo tišina, ali zvoki.
they bring things to the surface to
Prinesejo stvari
make you
na
aware of
plano,
something's happening,
da
and then
se začnete
in that
zavedati,
case
da
where
se
the
nekaj
pain in your head
dogaja.
dissolved,
In
it was
recimo v
just
vašem
letting it
primeru
go.
pravite, da je
Beautiful.
bila bolečina,
You
bila
let
je v
it go. You
glavi
allowed it to
in
go.
odšla je. Ampak vi ste tisti, ki ste dovolili, dopustili,
Krishna is
da je
saying,
odšla.
surprising, my mind was very
Nekdo
quiet
piše,
in the quantum
zelo me je
field.
presenetil ki je bil popolnoma tiho v kvantnem polju.
Joe saw an eye
Joe je videl oko
and said, I'm assuming the special energy was
in
being sent to
pravi,
me.
predpostavljam, da je k meni
Yes,
prihajala
Alcazar
posebna
was
energija.
sending energy
Ja,
throughout that
Alcazar je pošiljal
experience.
zdaj energijo v to izkušnjo.
And it seems as if that energy was
In
being
zdi se,
felt and touching
da
people in a
ste
different way.
začutili to energijo vsak po svoje.
Alexandra is saying like
Aleksandra
a ball of
pravi,
energies on her hands.
da
in
je
her hands.
čutila
Cool.
kot dve krogli energije na dlaneh.
Somebody seeing a
Nekdo
dragon.
piše, da je videl zmaja.
Okay, beautiful.
Čudovito.
So it's interesting.
No, to je zanimivo.
So something just different from Alcazar.
Nekaj drugačnega smo zdaj dobili
Maybe
od
that was just
Alcazarja.
out of respect for me and
Morda
the
je
space
bilo
that
to
I was
le
in. I
iz
don't know.
spoštovanja do mene in
About that.
prostora, v katerem sem bil sam. Ne vem točno.
Still more comments coming
Še
in.
vedno
Great.
prihajajo
Continue to write
komentarji,
your
kar
comments
je
as
krasno. Še naprej
I say, I always like to
nam
go
kaj
through and read them and just
zapišite.
take note of
Kot
what's
sem vam
happening.
večkrat že rekel, se pogosto rad vračam k vašim komentarjem in si tudi kaj zapišem, kaj se dogaja.
Somebody feeling like a child.
Nekdo se je počutil kot otrok.
Cindy saying
Cindy
beyond thought
pravi
and physical,
onkraj
very deep.
misli in
beautiful,
fizičnega.
Okay.
Zanimivo, krasno.
So okay. Couple of people have asked Saida
Nekaj vas je
has asked
prosilo.
how can she get a
No, Saida
Stargate?
recimo je vprašala, kako
we've
lahko dobi
pretty much
zvezdna
run out
vrata.
of them, but fortunately,
Skoraj
my
so že
friend who's
vsa
making
pošla,
Stargates,
ampak
actually
na
the
srečo
welder is
je
going into
varilec
work by himself
zvezdnih vrat
and
zdaj
creating more of these
sam
Stargates.
šel
And
nazaj v
some of
službo
them have
in
been
začel
sent off
ponovno
already to be
delati
gold-plated
zvezdna
like this
vrata
one.
in kar
And so
nekaj jih je
actually
že na
we
poti.
are going to have Stargates
In
available again.
tako bodo
So you can
ponovno na
write to
voljo.
support
Lahko
at the
pišete na
Stargate
support
Experience
app na
if you
Stargate
wish to have one.
Experience
And we're going to
.com,
maintain the
če
10%
želite
discount
zvezdna
as
vrata
whilst we're in
z
this
10-odstotnim
lockdown situation.
popustom še vedno v tej
Because many
čudni
people are
situaciji
feeling the benefit of having a
zaustavitve.
physical Stargate
In
in their
mnogi
presence.
čutite,
Saida-
kako vam pomaga,
somebody was
če
asking,
imate
is it
fizična
possible
zvezdna
To
vrata.
make payments. Yes, it
In
is.
Saida
You
in
can
tudi
talk to
nekateri
Ashley
drugi
about
ste
that and,
spraševali, če
see
so
what
plačila
works for you.
možna. Ja, napišite mail
Over a
Ashley
period of
in
months.
videli bomo,
Okay,
kaj
so
bo mogoče v naslednjih mesecih.
great, lots
Oziroma,
of
ta
comments
plačila
coming
so
in. I
lahko
really
tudi na
appreciate that.
obroke. Veliko komentarjev zdaj prihaja,
The
zelo
next
sem vam hvaležen za to.
experience, Into the Future
Naslednjič,
experience
ko
is
bomo
happening on Sunday,
imeli
next Sunday.
v
On
prihodnost,
Saturday, I'm
ta
actually
prenos
doing
bo v
an online
soboto.
workshop
V soboto imam
for a gathering
pravzaprav
of people in Israel.
spletno delavnico za druščino ljudi
It's
v
going to be
Izraelu.
translated into Hebrew, simultaneous
Simultano
translation happening.
tolmačenje bo potekalo v hebrejščino.
It's for a group that are
To bo za
gathering
skupino,
together, IELET,
ki se je povezala z Violet, ki organizira delo z
in
zvezdnimi
Israel. Is
brati v
creating a
Izraelu.
group in her home, actually on her lawn.
In
We've done this
doma
before, and the
na
energy
svoji
is pretty
trati
amazing.
bo organizirala to
If you happen
srečanje.
to be Israeli somewhere
To
around
smo
the
že
world
poskusili in
and
bilo je res krasno.
would like to
Če
participate,
ste v Izraelu ali pa kjerkoli na svetu, pa bi želeli
I have to
sodelovati,
talk to IELET, but if
moram
you are
preveriti,
and would like
kako
to
in
join
kaj,
in,
ampak če bi se
then
želeli
drop a
vključiti,
line to support
tudi vi
at
napišite
the Stargate
to
experience.
željo na support
If
app
you're
na
Israeli and would like
Stargate
to participate.
Experience.
Okay.
App na Stargate Experience. No, torej,
And
videli bomo,
Ruby's just
kako se
posting
to
them.
lahko naredi.
If you'd like to talk
Če bi
about
radi
your experiences with others, to
poklepetali
take it deeper, to
o svojih
investigate a
izkušnjah
little
z
more,
drugimi in popeljali to svojo
join the
izkušnjo v
conversation
raziskovanju
with
še
Stargate
globje, lahko
Collective,
pišete
and there's a
in
link
se
there
povežete s Stargate
to
Collective.
that particular page in the Stargate
Zdaj
Collective.
imate objavljeno tudi povezavo.
As I've said
Kot sem
before,
že
we're moving
povedal,
away from
se
Facebook
umikamo z Facebooka počasi
and inviting people to
in
join the
vabimo
collective
vas, da se
because that's
vključite
a
v
place where it's
kolektiv,
just
kajti to je
for Stargate
prostor
people.
samo za
And many groups are
Stargate.
being
Veliko
created on different
skupin
topics
je bilo
and
ustvarjenih
different
na
ways that
različne
you can
teme,
connect and support
z
each other.
različnimi načini se
Okay.
lahko podprete med seboj.
So I'm off for now. And
Za zdaj se
again,
od
you can
vas
continue.
poslavljam, kot rečeno, lahko še naprej
Kyoko,
pišete.
yes. Now you don't have to worry about falling
No,
asleep
Kyoko
because
se
it
zdaj
wasn't
spet
actually
javlja,
sleep.
ampak zdaj naj te ne skrbi,
Thank
če
you
boš
for
zaspala,
responding,
ker to res ni
Kyoko.
spanje.
And
Kyoko,
welcome to the Stargate
hvala ti za
experience.
mnenje, pa dobrodošla v Stargate
Okay,
Experience
take care.
izkušnjo.
See you again soon.
Lepo se
Love you.
imejte, rad vas imam
Bye-bye.
in kmalu se spet vidimo. Adijo.